everyone. Welcome back. It is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. It is National Shrimp Scampi Day, and it is International Guide Dog Day. So if you know someone who has a guide dog, make sure that you tell them to celebrate their animal. Today, you are going to accomplish a couple of different tasks. If you could please respond today about how you are feeling. Then you are going to read for 20 minutes, find a nice cozy spot. Then you're going to be watching a video about a dog and a cat. And you're going to be looking at their point of view today. So how does a dog view things and how does a cat view things? Are they similar or are they different? And then you're going to kind of tell me an example of how you know what their point of view is. Then you're going to take a brain break, and you're going to go ahead and log into iReady to complete a lesson. After you've completed your lesson, you'll watch a math video, and then you're going to do some graphing again to show me how you can represent data. And today is a new type of graph. Today is a pictograph. So we use pictures and images to show our data. And then to finish the day, you will do a social studies lesson, another junior achievement activity. And then your day is finished. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.